Welcome to JSH BioEdutech YouTube channel.
Hello students, welcome to JSH BioEdutech YouTube channel. So previous class we discussed about cell, its structure and function. Today I am going to give some bits from this lesson for exam. సో ఈ బిట్స్ బాగా చదివి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. Bit is, who discovered cell? Options: Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, David Thomson and Marie Francois. Second one, name an organelle which serve as primary packaging area for molecules that will be distributed throughout the cell. Your options: mitochondria, plastid, Golgi apparatus, vacuole. Third question, name the outermost boundary of the cell. So outermost boundary of the cell. Options: plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nuclear membrane, none of the above. Next, fourth one, the jelly like substance present inside the cell is known as. Options: cytoplasm, ectoplasm, nucleoplasm, none of the above. And fifth bit is, plant's cell wall mainly composed of. Plant cell wall mainly composed of. And your options: cellulose, starch, protein and lipids. Next, sixth blank, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that means SER, is the site of. Options: protein synthesis, carbohydrate synthesis, lipid synthesis and D, none of these. Seventh one, which organelle known as powerhouse of cell? And your options: chloroplast, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes. Next, eighth bit, which organelle lies only in plant cell? So only in plant cell lo unde organelle entity. And your option: chloroplast, mitochondria, lysosome and ribosome. And ninth bit is, there are dash mitochondria in each cell. So how many mitochondria is present in each cell? When your options: 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 50 to 200, 100 to 150. And next, 10th one, there are dash chloroplasts in each cell. So chloroplasts in cell, how many chloroplasts present in cell? And your options: 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 50 to 200, 100 to 150. Next, 11th one, who discovered nucleus? And your options: Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, David Thomson and Marie Francois. 12th bit, nucleus is also known as. What is the another name of nucleus? Options: powerhouse of cell, suicide bag of cell, cell's control room and none of the above. 13th bit, lysosome is also known as dash. So what is the another name of a lysosome? Options are powerhouse of cell, suicide bag of cell, cell's control room and none of the above. Next, 14th one, who was proposed cell theory? So cell theory ni propose chesindi evaru? Options: A, Watson and Crick, B, Sladen and Swan, C, Robert Hooke and Robert Brown and D, none of the above. And 15th bit, cell membrane made up of your options: proteins and lipids, cellulose, amino acids, none of the above. 16th bit, cells that do not have nuclear membrane called dash. And your options: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and D, none of the above. Next, 17th bit, which organelle involved in the process of cell division? Which organelle involved in the process of cell division? And your options are mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, chloroplast. Next, 18th bit, which organelle involves in the process of photosynthesis? Which organelle involved in the process of photosynthesis? And your options are mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, and chloroplast. Next, 19th one, the inner membrane of the mitochondria folds and form one structure. Okay, and your options are matrix, cristae, nuclear membrane, and D, none of the above. And last bit, that is 20th bit, the large empty space present in the plant cell called dash. So which organelle have large empty space? And your options are lysosomes, vacuole, SCR, SCR means smooth endoplasmic reticulum, RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. So these are bits, and you fill all these bits and send through WhatsApp to me. Okay, so write honestly, don't try to copy. Okay, I hope you will do this successfully. Okay, all the best. Bye. So before going there, stop this class, please subscribe this channel, like, share and comment. సో బాగా షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి మర్చిపోకుండా. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.